Is that your birthday cake? Daddy, put your hat back on your head. Oh no. Uh-oh, we have icing in our hair.
Hold on. There we go.
That's
Eat your
mean.
cake.
Honey, she's not gonna eat her cake with the hat on her head. Hannah, what is that? Cake.
Honey, you got icing in your hair.
It's yummy. Hi. Are you going to eat your cake, Hannah? Honey, why don't you go over and break off just a little piece and put it in her mouth so she can try it, so she knows that it's for eating?
You're getting a lot of icing on your hat, Hannah. You're gonna eat the hat.
Oh, God.
Blah, blah. Why don't you eat some cake, too?
Mm-hmm. Here. Let's take the hat away. Bye-bye, hat. Mmm, good? Ooh, we like the cake. Is the icing good? You like the icing? You can smush it, it's yours. That's your cake, that's Hannah cake. Yeah, Hannah cake. Here we go.
Yeah, that's a cake.
Is that good? Is that fun? Are you going to eat some of it? Eat some of it, Hannah. It's yummy. It's yummy. Mommy's going to run out of tape in a few minutes. Mmm, good stuff. It's got carrots and pineapple and raisins in it. Oh, honey. Hannah, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.